of meal planning. So first of all, there's your nutrition, saving time, saving money, and then also reducing stress. So let's look at nutrition. When you take the time to meal plan, you can plan out that you get the proper fats, carbs, protein, all those macronutrients, and then as well, get in the micronutrients that you need. So your overall nutrition is going to be just well thought out and better for you. When it comes to saving time, there is a little bit of time on the front end with meal planning. I mean, you might have to sit down, write down your notes, maybe look up some recipes or whatever you're doing with your cooking or whatnot. But on the back end, you're not wondering what you're going to eat for lunch, wondering what you're going to have for snack, figuring out where you're going to go after work to pick something up for dinner. And over the course of the week, you actually save time, and it's a big difference. And if you haven't tried it, you'll definitely feel it after you implement it. The saving money part, think about not going out for lunch and buying that extra drink, and not going somewhere and picking up takeout that can cost $20 a meal, and being able to have your stuff planned out. You can get the cost per meal down quite substantially. And then also with grocery shopping, you always think like if you're going and you're not really thought out and planned, you're buying all this stuff you might not need. And especially with produce, it'll go bad. I mean, you think if it's in your fridge 7 days, then 10 days, your lettuce is turning brown, your fruits and veggies might be getting squishy, and then you don't even eat them, and then you throw them out, and that's a waste. So there's a lot of money that actually can be saved with meal planning. And then lastly is the stress. And I know firsthand that, eating healthy can be stressful. So stress can affect so many things, like our sleep, our weight, our immune system, and then also our digestive tract. So if we're stressed out and we have those things working against us, it's like a battle constantly. So if we can get the stress lowered, then we're healthy in that way along with the nutrition. So it works hand in hand. So if you haven't considered meal planning, I think you definitely should take the time to.